yung nanalo, di ba?
Kami bro, you never say that here. Talaga kami the worthy. Ikaw naman, Karen, what were your thoughts sa game?
Yeah, I was so scared at the end. Yung 3 minutes naging 30 minutes.
Oo nga, the last 3 minutes na naging 30 minutes.
It really put me on my seat.
Ganon ka-intense. Heels to Star Magic All-Star Games. That fourth quarter was really one for the books. Congratulations, grabe! Yung effort talaga